well and enjoying the beautiful sunshine, and it had a lovely Easter. Did any of you try Leah's honeycomb? If you did, I hope it turned out really well for you. Today we're going to be making breaded chicken and cheesy jacket potatoes, and I'm going to show you how to make them. This is a lovely meal to make for all of your family, and it's one of my daughter's favourites. Today I'm going to show you how to do the breaded chicken. So first of all, I'm going to show you how to panade the chicken, and this is basically how you get breadcrumbs onto the chicken. There's 3 stages. There's flour, there's going to be egg, and there's going to be breadcrumbs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to season my flour with salt and pepper. This just adds a little bit of flavour to it. You can add any flavours at any point. Some people like to add Parmesan cheese to their breadcrumbs or almond flakes, whatever it is you like, but we're going to keep it very basic today. So my flour is ready. I've got a little bit of milk in here, and I'm going to break in 2 eggs. And this is the egg mixture which is going to bind it all together. Just give that a little whisk. Be brave with the eggs, make sure you crack them and put them in the bowl. And then when that's all mixed up, we're going to then use that. So I'm going to just put my breadcrumbs on here. I've got shop bought breadcrumbs. You can make your own, it's entirely up to you, but they're just as well. So I've pre-cut my chicken breasts. You are going to have to touch them. And the basics is you only want to use one hand in the egg. So I'm going to put it into the flour. I'm going to then place it into the egg, and then I'm going to get my next one. So I'm going to use one hand for moisture, which is the egg, and one hand for the dry. And when I've got about 3 of these done, I'm going to start adding the breadcrumbs. So you come over here, sprinkle them with breadcrumbs, and then you line them onto your little dish ready to go into the oven. It's really easy. And you can season your breadcrumbs as well, it's entirely up to you. Right, so that's all our chicken breadcrumbed, and now what I'm going to do is put a little light covering or olive oil on. This can now go in the oven for 30 minutes on 180 or gas mark 6 for 30 minutes. I'm going to leave that there, and then we're going to concentrate on our cheesy jackets. So what I did was I put the jacket potatoes in the oven. They go on 180 or gas mark 6 for 1 hour 20 minutes for a sort of a small to medium jacket potato. Make sure you get an adult to help you do this, and what you do is you get a fork, you pierce the jacket potato skin with the fork. You can sprinkle a little bit of salt on if you want, but you don't have to. Then when they're cooked, they're going to be all nice and fluffy inside. You're going to cut them in half, and you're going to take out the middle bit. And you're going to put this into a bowl. And then we're going to add the onions and the potato cheese to it. Right, once all the mixture has been mixed together, you take a little bit out and you're going to restuff your potatoes. So you're filling them back up. And as long as you wash your hands beforehand, it doesn't matter if you end up touching a little bit of the mixture. If you want to make them extra cheesy, you can add more cheese on top, or you can just leave them as they are. Now, you've put your chicken in the oven for 30 minutes. These are only going to take 20 minutes. So after 10 minutes, you can put them in the oven and they can join them. So it's all out of the oven and it's all cooked. And when I'm done, I'm going to actually serve it with some corn on the cob. There is your breaded chicken and your cheesy jackets. The breaded chicken goes really well with some sliced lemon. So this is a really lovely meal that you can make for your whole family. Next week, I'm going to be showing you how to make Eton mess with some raspberries. So I look forward to seeing you all then, and have a good week. Bye.